guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 5 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the James Charles Morphe palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I am doing look number 5 in my James Charles Morphe palette series. I mean, it's been months since I've even touched this palette. I kind of forgot that I was doing this series, and then I was like, oh yeah, I should probably finish that. So I'm gonna go for a super yellow look today. Okay, can you see? I put some pink in my hair. It's really dark. I was not going for it to be that dark, so I'm waiting for it to fade out, and then I want to do like a pastel color, but I think I want to do like a yellow look today with like maybe a pop of pink somewhere. So my brows are already on, so I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Porcelain. I really like this for priming the eyes. I'm surprised this only has like one yellow in it. I was not expecting that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set the eyes with a light powder. Make sure there's no creases. I'm gonna grab this Wet n Wild fluffy brush and taking Tune, I'm going to start to build that above the crease and blend it out. Next on this Morphe M518, I'm gonna pick up B, which is the bright yellow. I really wish there was at least one more yellow in here, but I am gonna put this in the crease and blend that out. So I have that bright yellow blended out. This yellow is so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a half cut crease. I'm gonna go in the inner part, the inner corner with Ringlight, and then I'm gonna fade it into Sister, which is more of a pinky, and then yeah, I'm gonna see how that looks. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I think that looks really pretty. I wasn't sure because I was hoping that it had more yellows in this palette, but it didn't, and I already had my mind set on a yellow eye look. So we're just gonna have to go with it. I'm just taking that yellow shade and blending it over to get a nice seamless blend over here. I'm going to take this little angled brush. This is a BH Cosmetics number 12 brush. I'm going to pick up the black, which is Spooky. I'm just going to smoke that out on the upper lash line. I might wing it out a little bit. Show you guys what I'm doing, but it's really hard because I feel like I have to be so close to my mirror. Okay, so once I have that smoked out, I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara, lashes. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just finished up basically the rest of my face makeup. I am filming a foundation wear test on this foundation right now, so if you want to see that, it'll be coming up next. So now I'm just going to finish up the eyes. I'm trying to decide if I really want to do a pop of pink. I was kind of thinking like a pop of pink on the inner corner, but I don't know. So I'm just going to take that hot pink, which is Skip. I'm taking that on a Morphe E36. Well, there's like no coming back from that one, so. Basically just building and blending that pink out. Building it up and then blending it out to get it nice and seamless. Picking up that yellow on this Luxie 213. Just gonna smoke that out on the lower lash line. And then just adding some black liner to the waterline. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love how it turned out. I think the pop of pink on the inner corner is kind of weird, but I think it's super cute. I absolutely love the way the yellow looks with the white shimmer on it. It's so cute, but I just wanted to do something kind of different with the pink on the inner corner. I don't know if I actually like it. Maybe I'll learn how to make it work a little bit better as I keep testing it out. But this is the finished look. If you guys have any color combos, colors that you want me to highlight out of this palette in any upcoming videos, I have 5 more looks coming your way from this palette, so just leave that in a comment down below. Like I said, I am filming a foundation wear test, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.